Vehicle reliability is fundamentally challenged by failures that manifest without immediate warning. A sudden drop in performance, an unexpected warning light, or a catastrophic breakdown often signals a problem that has been developing unseen for weeks or months. This delayed detection leads to increased repair costs, prolonged downtime, and potential safety hazards. The automotive industry has long sought methods to identify these precursors, to pinpoint degradation before it escalates into a critical failure. The current diagnostic framework primarily relies on macroscopic indicators, which by their nature emerge only after a significant operational deviation has occurred. This inherent lag between problem initiation and symptom presentation represents a critical vulnerability in vehicle maintenance and operational integrity. Consider a microscopic coolant leak, a minute quantity escaping through a hairline crack. Initially, no visible puddle forms, no temperature gauge alarm sounds, and the reservoir level depletion is imperceptible to the casual observer. Yet, the chemical signature of this leak exists from its inception. Similarly, the initial stages of an engine bearings generate minute metallic particles and alter the oil's chemical composition, changes indiscernible through conventional inspection. These hidden failures operate below the threshold of human perception and standard electromechanical sensors, progressing silently until a tipping point is reached, leading to a much larger, more expensive issue. The challenge lies in converting these subtle chemical or molecular deviations into actionable diagnostic information, allowing for interventions before the point of no return. Conventional vehicle diagnostics primarily employ pressure sensors, temperature probes, and oxygen sensors. These systems monitor bulk physical parameters or exhaust gas composition for compliance. While effective for detecting macroscopic faults or emission irregularities, they possess inherent limitations in identifying incipient failures. For example, an oil pressure sensor reports a pressure drop, but not the specific contaminants causing that drop, nor the precise moment degradation began. Similarly, a coolant temperature sensor flags overheating, but offers no insight into the chemical breakdown of the coolant itself, or the early stages of a pinhole leak. These methods are reactive. They confirm a problem has occurred or is actively occurring, rather than predicting its onset. This gap necessitates a diagnostic paradigm shift, moving beyond physical state monitoring to chemical state analysis. The key to early detection lies in recognizing volatile organic compounds and molecular changes. Every fluid and material within a vehicle possesses a unique chemical fingerprint. When components degrade, fluids break down, or seals fail, they release specific chemical byproducts or undergo molecular transformations. Engine oil, under thermal stress and mechanical shear, produces aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids, signaling oxidative degradation. Coolant, when exposed to exhaust gases through a head gasket leak, can show elevated levels of hydrocarbons. Even the insulation on electrical wiring, when overheating, emits specific polymer degradation products. These compounds, often in trace amounts, represent the earliest quantifiable indicators of a developing fault, preceding any macroscopic physical symptom. Advanced chemical sensors are engineered to detect and quantify these specific molecular species. Unlike traditional sensors that measure physical properties, chemical sensors directly interact with the chemical environment. They operate on principles ranging from electrochemistry to optical absorption, transforming a chemical reaction or physical interaction with specific molecules into an electrical signal. For example, a metal oxide semiconductor sensor changes its electrical resistance in the presence of specific reducing or oxidizing gases. Their core function is to provide real-time, in situ analysis of a vehicle's internal chemistry, acting as an electronic nose or a molecular pathologist to reveal the underlying state of critical systems. The primary technical challenge in developing these sensors is achieving both high specificity and sensitivity within the complex automotive environment. A sensor must not only detect minute concentrations of a target molecule but also differentiate it from hundreds of other compounds present in the sample. For instance, distinguishing specific engine oil degradation products from unburnt fuel vapors or exhaust gases requires sophisticated sensor arrays and selective recognition layers. Cross-sensitivity to common environmental factors like humidity, or temperature must also be mitigated through advanced materials science and signal processing. Achieving this dual requirement is critical for preventing false positives and ensuring reliable diagnostic information. Engine oil is a critical fluid whose chemical state reflects the health of the entire engine. Advanced sensors continuously monitor oil for signs of thermal degradation, such as increasing acidity or viscosity changes, which indicate oxidation or contamination. They can detect microscopic metallic wear particles, an early sign of bearing or cylinder wear, through changes in electrical conductivity or optical scattering. Furthermore, sensors can identify the ingress of foreign substances like fuel or coolant into the oil, even in trace amounts, long before dilution significantly impacts lubrication. This real-time chemical profiling of engine oil offers a predictive capability far beyond scheduled oil changes, allowing for condition-based maintenance. The condition of engine coolant is equally vital. Sensors designed for coolant analysis target changes in pH, conductivity, and the presence of specific organic acids formed during glycol degradation. A critical application is the detection of exhaust gas intrusion into the cooling system, often indicative of a failing head gasket. These sensors can identify traces of hydrocarbons in the coolant, which are byproducts of combustion, even when the leak is too small to cause significant bubbles or pressure loss. Early detection of such issues prevents severe engine overheating, costly repairs, and potential engine damage, transforming coolant health monitoring from a periodic check to a continuous, intelligent assessment. Beyond the tailpipe, internal exhaust gas sensors monitor combustion processes and catalytic converter efficiency. While external sensors focus on regulated emissions, internal sensors can detect subtle changes in gas composition before they exit the system, indicating issues like misfires, incomplete combustion, or even early catalytic converter poisoning. For example, monitoring specific nitrogen oxides or unburned hydrocarbons within the exhaust manifold could provide real-time feedback on combustion stability or the integrity of exhaust gas recirculation systems, allowing for proactive adjustments or warnings long before a check engine light illuminates for an emissions-related fault. Microscopic fuel vapor leaks, often originating from aging fuel lines, injectors, or evaporative emission system components, present a fire hazard and environmental concern. These leaks are frequently undetectable by sight or smell in their nascent stages. Chemical sensors, specifically tuned to recognize hydrocarbon vapors, can continuously monitor the vehicle's undercarriage or engine bay atmosphere. By detecting minute concentrations of fuel molecules, these sensors can alert the driver or maintenance system to a leak before it becomes significant, preventing both environmental contamination and the risk of ignition. This capability moves beyond simple pressure decay tests, offering a continuous vigilance against volatile fuel release. The underlying technologies for these advanced sensors are diverse. Electrochemical sensors, for instance, utilize electrodes coated with specific materials that react with target molecules, generating a measurable electrical current or voltage. Optical sensors employ spectroscopic methods, where changes in light absorption or emission indicate the presence and concentration of specific compounds. Acoustic wave sensors detect mass changes on their surface as molecules bind to them. Miniaturized mass spectrometers, typically laboratory instruments, are also being developed for onboard vehicle applications, offering unparalleled specificity by identifying molecules based on their mass-to-charge ratio. Each technology presents unique advantages and challenges in terms of selectivity, durability, and cost. The raw data generated by these chemical sensors is often complex and requires sophisticated interpretation. This is where advanced algorithms and machine learning play a crucial role. Sensor arrays, comprising multiple sensing elements, produce a rich dataset that must be processed to differentiate between normal operating variations and genuine fault conditions. Machine learning models are trained on extensive datasets of healthy vehicle operation and various failure modes, enabling them to recognize subtle patterns indicative of incipient problems. This allows the system to not only detect the presence of specific chemicals but also to correlate their concentrations and trends with known degradation pathways, providing a probabilistic assessment of component health. Integrating these advanced chemical sensors into production vehicles presents several engineering challenges. Durability is paramount. Sensors must withstand extreme temperatures, vibrations, and harsh chemical environments for the entire lifespan of the vehicle. Miniaturization is also critical to allow for placement in confined spaces. Furthermore, ensuring long-term calibration stability and resistance to fouling or poisoning by non-target compounds are significant hurdles. The cost of these advanced systems must also be balanced against the benefits of improved reliability and reduced maintenance expenses. Overcoming these integration complexities is essential for widespread adoption. The deployment of these chemical sensing systems fundamentally shifts the paradigm of vehicle maintenance from reactive to truly proactive. Instead of relying on scheduled service intervals or waiting for a fault code to appear, maintenance can be performed precisely when needed, based on the actual chemical health of critical components. This condition-based maintenance minimizes unnecessary parts replacement, optimizes fluid change intervals, and prevents small issues from escalating into major failures. The result is increased vehicle uptime, reduced ownership costs, and a significant enhancement in operational safety and reliability across the entire vehicle fleet. The trajectory of automotive diagnostics is moving towards an ever deeper understanding of a vehicle's internal chemistry. As sensor technologies advance in sensitivity, specificity, and miniaturization, and as machine learning models become more sophisticated, the ability to predict and prevent failures will continue to improve. Future vehicles may feature an integrated network of chemical sensors providing a holistic, real-time health assessment, capable of detecting even the most subtle molecular precursors to failure. This will lead to vehicles that are not only safer and more reliable but also significantly more efficient in their resource utilization and environmental impact, ushering in a new era of intelligent automotive self-diagnosis.